And welcome back. We have a new severe thunderstorm warning just issued for central Stutsman County. This is until 7:15 p.m. The storm that is moving through has a history of producing possibly up to golf ball sized hail. It looks like it is strengthening again, and this warning does go to Jamestown's doorstep, but the city itself is not into the warning. So if you're in Jamestown, you have about another hour before this storm gets to you. Lots of lightning, heavy rain, and let's take a look at that hail tracker as of right now. We are seeing some yellows and some blues and greens on this map. The hail tracker right now with the greens, that's around nickel to possibly just over quarter size, just off to the east of the Medina area. So if you do live between Medina, possibly the Cleveland area, and just off to the west of Jamestown, take your severe thunderstorm precautions. Do have a severe thunderstorm warning again for your area until 7:15 p.m. Also, some isolated storms down here near the Lidgerwood area, closer to the South Dakota border, and some storms into portions of Otter Tail, Wadena, and Becker County. Looks to be weakening right now, but some stronger storms from Carrington, New Rockford, just off to the south of the Michigan area. Some of these storms could contain penny to nickel sized hail and 40 to 50 mile per hour wind gusts, along with a lot of lightning. We'll keep an eye on this area, see if they issue any additional warnings. Here's the current temperatures around the region. We are warm ahead of that cold front into the low to mid 80s into the Southern Valley, Lakes Country. We're at 80 right now in Jamestown and an 80 at Grand Forks, and 66 in the cool air at Devil's Lake. Let's take a look at the dew point. Once again, our southern and western counties are very humid. We're having dew point values in that area into the mid to upper 60s, and even getting up and down the Red River Valley, low to mid 60s. That humidity will fuel any possible thunderstorms later on tonight. Here's where the frontal boundary is. Once again, not really moving that fast. We have a clashing of air masses with southerly wind off to the south and a northwesterly wind in our north and western viewing area, and a severe thunderstorm watch almost in the same area it was last night. This one also in effect through midnight from the Cass-Barnes County border, points off to the west. And again, a severe thunderstorm warning watch in that area until midnight. Slight risk of severe weather for the southwestern quadrant of our viewing area and most of the rest of our viewing area, and a marginal risk. In the slight risk area, we could see a line of thunderstorms form and then move off to the east during the late evening and early overnight hours, some of them containing large hail, and this one actually could be a windy storm as it makes its way through a windy event. Here's the hour-by-hour forecast. Isolated stuff as of right now, but the models show a line forming during the late evening and early overnight, and this is when we have the best chance of having damaging wind across the region, moving into the Red River Valley and then into Minnesota, dissipating by the late morning hours, and then most of July 4th looking pretty good. We've got partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures a little cooler into the mid to upper 70s in most areas. Let's take a look at that extended forecast as of right now. Upper 70s for Friday. We've got a chance of some showers and thunderstorms once again. Then a little cooler Saturday, 74, 81 for the day on Sunday, partly cloudy skies. And for Monday and Tuesday, more chances of showers and storms, highs near 80. And for Wednesday, 76 with partly cloudy skies. One more check. We do have that severe thunderstorm warning in effect for portions of central Stutsman County. That is until 7:15 p.m. where we do have the chance of large hail, possibly over quarter size.
And Hutch is out at the backyard barbecue for us?
Yep, and let's check in with him right now.
Hey everybody, meteorologist Hutch Johnson here in South Moorhead with Tony from Cashwise. Just a beautiful night tonight. What does Cashwise have in store for us this week as we get ready for the big 4th of July?
Well, as always, plenty of things going on, but just to name a few, we've got our T-bone steaks on sale, $6.98 a pound. Come on in for our signature brats. One of my very favorites are $1 a piece. We got burger on sale for $1.83 a pound, sold in a 3-pound chub. Cherries are on sale. It goes on and on.
Very good. And if we need sunscreen at Cashwise, what aisle is that in?
Aisle 2 or the seasonal section. We got plenty on hand for you. Gonna need it.
And that's in the Moorhead store?
Yes, it is. And all 4 of our locations for that matter.
All right. We're enjoying our steak here at the Backyard Barbecue with our big winner, Bill Woods, who signed up at Cashwise. Get into your local Cashwise in the meat department. Sign up today. We may be in your backyard throughout the summer. Back to you.
Thanks, Hutch.